Okay, Johnny Teal here. I am done with this job for now. We got the building moved over. Probably can't see because of the sun, but we got the whole property cleared. And the brush is all back there. I don't know, back here somewhere. And E50 was awesome. Nothing bad to say about it. The T740, not so tough after all. Great machine, but right at the end of the day, wouldn't you know it, I blew the window out of it. It just exploded. Pushing up some brush and a branch swung around, and it didn't even look like it would big enough to break it, but it just blew it right out. Good thing I was wearing my safety glasses on, because lots of glass came in at me. And so all that's left to do here now is dig footings. I guess that'll be in a couple weeks. And that's about it. It's been a pretty decent job, but I don't know. Now I'm probably not going to make much now, and I have to pay for a window. Alrighty. Take care.